Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today we have the topic collective noun in subject verb agreement. Collective noun is a part of noun. Noun has many kinds: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, abstract noun. But as far as entrance test is concerned, this collective noun plays a great part for this. Collective noun is person things taken together as spoken of as one whole. I mean that is a very collective one to representative most of the time as single one. But somehow in English grammar, especially when we are talking about subject verb agreement, there is some sort of a problem. As you will see that collective noun, as I have told and I have even divided into two portions. This collective noun at the large extent is used especially to agree singular verb, but somehow there is some disparity, confusion. I mean, there is some sort of some differences are there even to agree plural verb as well. See the statement. This is rule number 34, and in this rule, this says a collective noun mostly is a single noun. Mostly single noun. We have like boys, girls, and collectively we say class, crowd, assembly. We use like that, and most of the time we agree to them as a singular unit and to agree as a singular verb. But somehow, sometime when we have the individuals are there, sometime these collective people, collective things disagree and show their disparity, and they are not even a collective unit. They agree as what we say in plural verb as well. Sometimes we say in this way that some collective nouns are there, they agree singular verb because of they have the single idea, single decisions, single actions, or we say as they have same commitment or content. They have in Sindhi इत्फाक राय, उन्हनि में इत्फाक राय हुजे, इख्तिलाफ़ राय न हुजे, त अहिड़नि में बि असां उन्हनि में सिंगुलर यूनिट इस्तेमालु कंदा आहियूं. अहिड़े हिन वारे पासे में तव्हां ॾिसंदो साॻे तरीक़े सां असां वटि इहे ई माना कलेक्टिव नाउन आहिनि, पर उन्हनि में कंहिं न कंहिं जॻह ते को इख़्तिलाफ़ राय आहे, कंहिं कंहिं जॻह में डिस्पैरिटी आहे. उन्हनि जो जेको इंडिविजुअल एक्शन्स आहिनि थोरा अलॻि अलॻि आहिनि, पर आहिनि साॻी जॻह ते. त उन्हनि में असां सब्जेक्ट वर्ब एग्रीमेंट जे मुताबिक़ प्लूरल वर्ब इस्तेमालु कंदासीं. अचो त हिनखे स्टेटमेंट खे थोरो पढ़ूं. कलेक्टिव नाउन mostly as a single noun, but sometimes treats as a separate individual used as a plural noun, plural subject, and agrees plural verb. See, the examples are here. In the first time you will see this area, that is what we call single unit or singular verb. So this portion, as I have segregated, सेपरेट कयो आहे उनखे सिर्फ़ इहो ॿुधाइण जे लाइ त ही बि कलेक्टिव नाउन आहिनि, ही बि कलेक्टिव नाउन आहिनि, पर जॾहिं असां इन्हनि खे गॾियल तौर ते इस्तेमालु कंदा आहियूं त इहो ॾिसंदासीं त हिन में माना गॾियल तौर ते हिकिड़ो कमु यूनिट सिंगल यूनिट में थिए थो, ऐं हिननि में इहो ॾिसंदासीं त गॾियल तौर त आहिनि, पर इन्हनि में इत्फाक़ राय कोन्हे, इख़्तिलाफ़ राय आहे. डिफरेंट वेरियस स्टेप था वठनि पिया कलेक्टिवली, पर उन्हनि खे असां जेको वर्ब एग्री कंदासीं उहो प्लूरल कंदासीं. कमिंग टुवर्ड्स एग्जांपल्स, दिस इज सिंगल यूनिट agrees singular verb. This is individuals. Plural verb would be agree there. See, first example. Here it is written committee and here it is written committee. Same thing. The word is same. The place, position in parts of speech that is noun, I mean collective noun, and that is mostly written that agrees singular verb. But here you see the committee has agreed with them. The committee, I mean group of individuals, group of people, but they agreed. Their decision is single. Their decision is unanimous. We use singular verb. The committee has agreed with them. Coming towards here, the committee do not agree on this proposal. Why? Here is has, I mean singular verb. Here is do not is plural verb. Why? Because they are not agree whatever the proposal are given to them. They are not agree on that. That's why this committee takes plural verb. Right? See, again we have the topic in parts of speech of preposition. We will see sometime agree takes with, sometime agrees with, agree to, sometime agree agrees what on. It happens some rules are there. If we use with people, noun or pronoun, we use with. If we use some conditions, circumstances, we use to. And sometimes we have this demonstrative pronouns or something in front of the things, we use on as well. So see, the committee has agreed, the committee do not agree. That is the difference is there. So in MCQs especially, a student must consider, must see that whether the collective noun as a person, as a unit, they are working as a single unit, or they are collectively doing the things, or individual. So we have to see whether their actions are the same, whether their actions are separate. We have to consider and make the disparity between the both agreements. Same way, the jury. Jury means group of collection of people, I mean judges, panel of judges, we say in this way. The jury, no doubt we use of and what collective noun is there. Committee of men, committee of people, jury of judges. The jury means collection of judges. We call as a single unit as jury. The jury has reached a decision. It means these people, they are in single unit, has reached to the decision. Decision they pujana varan munanjo ikuro decision. That's why we use singular verb. Same is here. The jury have been arguing for 5 days. Present perfect continuous jo jumlo. The jury have been arguing for 5 days. 5 days have been spent, have been passed, but not yet they have taken the decision, because they are arguing. Their arguments are various. That's why they are not like-minded to each other. That's why this jury takes plural, I mean verb, and this jury takes singular verb there. Third one, see, a litter of kittens. The word litter, we have common nouns, but when we are making the collection of that one, we have the variety of words in this regard. See, a litter of kittens was born in Den. Litter of kittens. See, again we see what? We see again something, words comes like that. Not only a litter, just like a committee, the jury, but of and for what litter are. This word is a group of babies of cats. Is called litter. A litter of kitten was born in Den. So this was agrees to this litter one. Same is here. A litter of kittens have been running the shelter. So they were have been running around the shelter. Running around the shelter. They were going here and there. They have no proper suitable directions to go, but they are just roaming here and there. That's why this litter of kittens used or takes this word have been there. So these are the sentences differ. These are the sentences differs to each other because of the actions. But somehow, student, keep in your mind one thing, that we have to even develop some vocabulary in this regards. I have written in the, maybe you cannot see in proper way, but can be zoomed to see. The word is here choir. Choir of singer. I mean caravan of travelers. Kennel of dogs or hound. Swarm of ants and bees. Clump of tree. Crew of sailor. This word is CREW. This is crew. I mean staff of in a ship. Whatever the staff is in ship is called crew. Crew word is there. Crew of sailors. Series of events. A school of fish. Sometimes said a school of thinkers. A school of thought. Many words, in 100,000 words are there in English grammar. You will find even very strange words are there. Try to take the bother to open the books of grammars to find 1,100 words from them in order to understand the new vocabulary even in collection of collective nouns. See, I have chosen some words for you people. See, they are very clearly written there. They are written as shoal. Shoal of question mark. This is your homework to find out from dictionaries. Look up from the dictionaries the word shoal, and it will even tell you, the dictionary will tell you, describe something about what is the collective noun of this shoal. See, stud, S-T-U-D, a string, flock, fleet, band, brood, wraith, pencil, flotilla, orchestra and suite. These are words, I would say, students, I have even deliberately selected from the book in order to assign you. This is your assignment to work on just for 5 minutes to open a book or a dictionary or anything source. Even you have in your hands mobiles with internet. Find out within 5 minutes that what are the collective noun of the common nouns, common things. See, again, these are the words. You have to comment me in the comments box, and even you have been given some questions in your papers about such kind of things. Even this is not sufficient. You have to find such words in the dictionary, like there is written pencil, there is written sweet, there is written shoal. These are the words maybe new for you, but you have to find. There are many score of words are there in the English dictionary or in grammar to increase in your vocab as well. Again, coming towards, this is your assignment to find out the words as well. Okay. Number 4, there is a word as written here. I have a school of fish, where boys and girls are studying. We call school, but somehow this word is collective noun. That is school, where we have been studying, we have been teaching, that is just common word, common noun word, common noun. But here this school is a collective noun. A school of fish, where fish are together, we call them as a school of fish. Boys are together, we call them class assembly. So is the case with a school of fish, a school of thinkers, a school of thought. Here is the word. A school of fish is this word fish, singular as well as plural, but when the fish are in various species we use as well as fishes. But see here there is no any article as well, but we are talking to about school. School agrees to this is a school of fish is swimming in same directions. इत्था के राया सागो डिसीजन आ हिन जो जरूरत भली न हुजे ते आप ऐं fish न हुजे, but we are agreeing to this one there in this page as like is mentioned here, the committee has agreed. Clear? See, a faggot of sticks, you know, after of always written what is a collective noun most of the time. A faggot of sticks, काठिन जो गड थियन, काठियूं गडो उन जो गड, a faggot of sticks. Now this faggot agrees to this one as singular one. A faggot of sticks has not yet broken. Coming, these takes the two examples here from example of 4 and 5. The staff have gone to their separate ways for holidays. Why we used staff and used have there? Whether is it mistake or correct one? See, the staff have gone, yes. लगे तो असांखे हिते ग़लती आहे, बट हिते देर बि लिखियल आहे, हिते हॉलीडेज बि लिखियल आहे, हिते वेज बि लिखियल आहे. इन जो मतिलबु असांखे सिधो इहा बि ख़बर पए थी त हीउ जेको स्टाफ आहे त कलेक्टिव नाउन, पर इन्हनि जा जेके कम आहिनि उहे अलॻि अलॻि आहिनि. इन जे करे हिते असांजो छा इस्तेमालु थियल आहे? द स्टाफ हैव गॉन टू देयर सेपरेट वेज फॉर हॉलीडेज. अ पेक ऑफ डॉग्स, पेक पेक जी माना पैकेट भी आए, पर हिते पेक माना छा तो अचे पियो? पेक मीन्स group of dogs, group of hounds, group of wolves as well. You will find from the book. A pack of dogs are running in different directions. Clue will be given to us in the sentences. असांखे को न को असांखे क्ल्यू ज़रूरु मिलंदो, रस्ते जो डायरेक्शन मिलंदो, डिसीजन जा वेरियस स्टेप्स मिलंदा, उनखे ज़रूरु ॾिसंदासीं. A pack of dogs. Coming towards sentence number 6 from this single unit, a team of doctors has been called in. तव्हां पढ़िया हूंदा वर्ड, ये पढ़ंदासीं असां फ्रेजल वर्ब्स में, प्रेपोजिशंस में पढ़ंदासीं. कॉल्ड इन छाखे चइबो आहे? माना कंहिं टेक्निकल माण्हू खे, कंहिं प्रोफेशनल माण्हू खे घुराइबो आहे त असां लफ़्ज़ इस्तेमालु कंदा आहियूं छा? कॉल्ड इन. पर कंहिं माण्हू ॾे मुलाक़ात लाइ वञिबो आहे. स्टूडेंट टीचर ॾे वञे थो पियो, हिकिड़ो ऑफिसर बॉस ॾे वञे थो पियो, त असां इहो लफ़्ज़ इस्तेमालु कंहिं माण्हू खे मुलाक़ात लाइ वञूं था पिया, पोइ लफ़्ज़ इस्तेमालु कंदासीं छा? कॉल ऑन. माय टीचर, क्लास टीचर विज़िट्स टू प्रिंसिपल. जेकॾहिं तव्हां विज़िट कढी असां उन जॻह ते लफ़्ज़ इस्तेमालु कयूं छा? माय क्लास टीचर कॉल्स ऑन द प्रिंसिपल. त इन जे मुताबिक़ जो मतिलबु आहे मुलाक़ात माना थी. ठीकु आहे? अहिड़े तरीक़े जा माना असांखे माना थोरा प्रेपोजिशन जंहिंजी माना बि डिफरेंट थींदी आहे उन जे मुताबिक़. पर असांजी हिन महिल नॉट दिस इज रियली द टॉपिक इज़ हाउ कलेक्टिव नाउन agrees to singular or plural one. A team of doctors has been called in. Here see, the family are each doing a different core work. माना ये जेका फैमिली आहे हर हिकु पंहिंजो पंहिंजो कमु थो करे पियो. The family are each doing a different core. The same way, if I say the family are sitting for lunch at the dining room, at the dining hall. It means their purpose of going to dining room is the same, or the purpose of eating is the same. We use family is, but here family are each doing a different core. Clues are there, each and different are the clues to find out whether this collective noun takes singular or plural one. Again, we have the family of Mr. Ahmed sits for lunch. See, family of Mr. Ahmed is. So this family takes singular verb. This family takes plural verb. See the difference. Again, I'm repeating. The family of Mr. Ammon sits for lunch. The family are each doing a different chore. So these are the different ways to do this one. A set of bangles. Set of bangles has been broken. Here is a bangles, but the collection of that one is set. A set of glasses was purchased. Right here, see. The army have continued fighting bravely. The words we learn as in a one rule: army, police, gentry, poultry, they always take plural noun. But somehow if we write Pakistan army, then that would be a single unit and we agree singular verb. As we have the sentence like French army was defeated at Waterloo. The sentence taken from Renan Martin right now. The French army was defeated at Waterloo. The French army was defeated. Here is the army have continued fighting bravely. Army and police. Police are in blue uniform. But if we say Sindh police, it means what? That is the department. That is department we say in this way. Last one that is the jury were allowed to go home to the families each day. The jury were allowed to go home. It is repeated. The jury were allowed to go home to there is clue, families is clue, each day. Right? So these are the sentences we have to understand. We have to find that whether how they are used, but one thing more that we have to understand from the both directions whether they have the same contentment or same opinion, same even decisions taken together, or we have to see even in this directions that if they are collective noun, their decisions, their intentions, their actions are same or different. If they are the same, we agrees singular verb. If they are different or they have some different directions, we agrees only to what? Plural verb there. Now these are the examples as I have just told you something as the choir of singers, caravan of traveler, kennel of dogs, swarm of ants, clump of trees, crew of sailors, series of events, school of fish or thinkers or thought. These are the examples. And this is not full stop. This is just comma to find out many words as well. But I have written something for you people to find out yourself that what is are there. You have to respond me that how they are used, even shoal, stud, string, flock, fleet, band, brood, wraith, pencil, flotilla, orchestra, suite, so on so, and find how they are even used as a collective noun, whether in with a singular verb or plural verb. Take even the screenshot of the whole whatever was written there.